The second part of our notes, we're going to be reviewing square roots. You're going to see our vocab over on the right-hand side. Please feel free to refer to this throughout the lesson. So what is a square root? A square root is the opposite operation of squaring a number. So when we think of opposite operations, I think of positive being opposite to negative. I think of division being opposite to multiplication. And then I also think of squaring and square rooting being opposites. And this is what we're going to be talking about today. Below, you're going to see an area model that shows you in a picture or in a picture that how the square root of 16 is equal to 4. So they're going to notice that there are 16 boxes here, and on this side there are 4 boxes by 4 boxes. So in this area model, 4 times 4 is 16, giving us 16 boxes. Now if we were to multiply those together, we would get 16. And if we were to undo that, so here is square root of 16 in expanded form, we would circle the pair, cross one out, and bring the other outside, giving us a final answer of 4. The same goes below. We have a 10 by 10 area model inside of the square root. 10 by 10 is 100. So there are 100 squares in here. So we could write the square root of 100 in expanded form by doing 10 times 10. They are equivalent. They both equal 100. I'm going to circle my pair of 2. I will then cross one of them out. The other escapes to the outside of the radical sign, and our answer is 10. We're going to do a few more examples down below. So we have our square root of 1. In expanded form, that would be 1 times 1. I would circle, cross one out, bring one outside. The final value would be 1. For the square root of 4, in expanded form, that would be 2 times 2. We would circle, cross one out, bring one outside, and our final answer would be 2. Square root of 9 in expanded form would be 3 times 3. We already know 16 is 4 times 4. And our last one is 25, which is 5 times 5 in expanded form. Cross one out, bring one to the outside. The final solution would be 5. So again, to summarize, squaring and square rooting are opposite operations that undo each other.